Today, I'm testing the LAUNCH CR529 OBD2 Scanner, a tool that claims to offer OE-level diagnostics, free lifetime updates, and one-click smog checks, all at a budget-friendly price. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether the CR529 is worth adding to your glove box or toolbox. Product features. The LAUNCH CR529 is a full OBD2 diagnostic scanner designed for cars 1996 and newer, basically most vehicles on the road today. Read and erase trouble codes so you know why that check engine light is on. One-click IM readiness and smog check, which is perfect before inspections. Live data viewing, both in text and graph format, so you can spot issues in real time. It supports advanced modes like O2 sensor testing, evap tests, freeze frame data, and Mode 6 onboard monitoring. One feature I really like is data recording and playback. You can save diagnostic sessions, generate reports, and even print or share them via PC, which helps avoid guessing and unnecessary repairs. The design is also very user-friendly. 2.8-inch color LCD screen, plug and play, no batteries needed. Red, yellow, and green LED indicators instantly show vehicle status. Built-in DTC lookup so you don't have to Google codes, and it also supports 7 languages and works with all major OBD2 protocols. Pros and cons. Very powerful for the price, often compared as stronger than scanners like the Foxwell NT301. Free lifetime updates, which is huge for long-term value. Wide vehicle compatibility. One-click smog check saves time. Solid, durable build with 5 years of technical support. Cons. Updates require a Windows PC. It's not compatible with Mac or iOS. This is an OBD2 scanner only, so it doesn't do full bidirectional controls like high-end professional tools. Screen size is good, but not touchscreen. Overall review. Overall, the LAUNCH CR529 OBD2 scanner is an excellent choice for beginners, DIY mechanics, and everyday car owners who want real diagnostic power without paying shop fees. If you want a scanner that helps you understand your car, avoid blind repairs, and save serious money, this one absolutely delivers. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart car repair tips, and check out the LAUNCH CR529 using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the more you know about your car, the more money stays in your pocket.